I took so many videos of the tomb of Jesus. The structure is new because it's been destroyed so many times, but that video is for you, my Christian disciples. I want you to pray. I will give you time to do that soon. The first chapel is the angel chapel. Took care that no one will steal the body, but although because of COVID-19 I cannot go in, but you can see the top of the sarcophagus of the empty tomb of Jesus. Then now I will let you 1 minute to say the prayer. It's November 2nd, 2020. If you want to see more of my videos, there's at the end of the video you will see a run spot. Push it and subscribe me. If you do have some questions, don't hesitate. Ask me, I will try to answer it. Church of the Holy Sepulchre, November 2nd, 2020, Jerusalem.